Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable information and support on various rehab and sobriety related topics. Today we're discussing a crucial subject, rehab and sobriety. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, this video is for you. We'll guide you step by step towards a successful recovery. Let's get started. Step 1. Recognize the problem. The first step to a successful recovery is acknowledging the problem. It takes courage to admit that you need help. If you're concerned about your substance abuse, or if someone close to you has expressed concern, it's important to take it seriously and seek professional advice. Step 2. Seek professional help. Once you've recognized the problem, it's essential to reach out to professionals specializing in addiction treatment. These experts have the knowledge and experience to guide you through the recovery process. Step 3. Develop a support system. Addiction recovery can be challenging, but you don't have to face it alone. Building a support system is crucial for your success. Surround yourself with people who understand and support your decision to achieve sobriety. Step 4. Create a routine and healthy habits. Establishing a daily routine and incorporating healthy habits into your life is vital for maintaining your sobriety. Plan your days, set achievable goals, and prioritize activities that promote your overall well-being. Step 5. Stay committed and celebrate milestones. Recovery is a lifelong journey that requires commitment and perseverance. Celebrate each milestone along the way, no matter how small, as they signify your progress and determination. It's important to remember that setbacks may occur, but they don't define your journey. Use these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Stay committed to your sobriety, and remember that you have the power to overcome addiction and lead a fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others who may benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care, and until next time, stay strong and stay sober.